Sige. But you know, before that, we only give this to ambassadors usually as a matter of symbolic thing of the people of Manila. We send them to anyone. Really special na lang ngayon. Because I want you to be an ambassador of hope of the country. Because that's what we need nowadays. So, everybody had ito pinakamalaki susing makukuha mo sa
bagay sa height niya.
Alin kayong dalawa guys. This is the king of the city. It's a symbol of sort of saying you're always welcome to Club City Hall in Manila. You're the king already. When it is done, you can open it.
Natry ko to.
Oh, dates. Naliit ako. Pero sa pagmamahal, pantay yan. I hope you will find somebody that will make you happy. Parang kinikiligin mo ka yan.
Teka, meron pa ano eh. Meron pa.
Ano tawag nung mga nanay na talong pipi?
Talong pipi.
Talong pipi.
Talong pipi.
That's tampipi.
Tampipi pala, tampipi.
Sounds like talong kwati.
Ano mo? You're welcome. Pagpasensyahan mo na yan. Ito yung bago namin logo for our tourism. For icons. Chicago, of course, this is Milad. Milad is a land. The mountains and rivers. And that's what the name is. Doon tayo sa may Milad. Halika, sumama ka mami. Okay. Halika, sumama ka. Join us. Okay. Krista?
Yes, I'm fine.
Ang dami ng ambassador dito, ngayon lang nakatuluto mo.
And then Mayor, they're requesting for a picture na kayong dalawa.
Okay. Sige. Okay. Sa basketball, black na black ako.
Miss Ariela.
Mayor, Mayor, pwede pa kayong dalawa?
Oh, sure. Okay. Okay. Session na yan. Okay. Sige po.
And maybe another hand, please.
Yun. Beautiful.
Thank you. Halika, sadali ko na siya sa mga